What is afterburn? Is afterburn even real? And how can that actually help you lose weight? Hey everybody, I'm Brian with Applied Fitness, where our mission is to motivate, educate, and empower you to become the best version of yourself. And today I want to talk to you about afterburn and how it can help you burn more calories, torch more fat, tone more muscle, and have more energy. And behind me you can see this graph, because a picture is worth 1,000 words. So I want to kind of explain to you what we're looking at here during our exercise, because you hear about high intensity interval training, you hear about afterburn effect, and what does all that stuff mean? So today we're going to break it down for you so you are informed and know why you're doing what you're doing and how it can help you get the body that you want. So the afterburn effect is what we call elevated post-exercise oxygen consumption. We abbreviate that as EPEOC. You don't need to remember any of that. You don't even need to know any of that. What you need to know is what we commonly refer to it. The nickname is the afterburn effect. And what that does is that means you burn more calories after a higher intensity workout than you do a lower intensity workout. So what we mean by high intensity interval is something that's going to spike your heart rate and then bring it back down. Spike it and bring it back down, as opposed to what we call steady state cardio, which is like, say, a treadmill or an elliptical or walking, something that's very continuous. It gets your heart rate up, you burn a lot of calories, but after your exercise it goes back down to pre-exercise levels. Whereas the elevated post-exercise oxygen consumption, aka HIIT training, aka afterburn effect, you burn more calories throughout a 24-hour period, and actually even beyond that. So you can see here from this chart, you see as your heart rate increases, as we hit that high intensity interval training modality, we burn more calories. Here's the steady state, here's the red is the high intensity. After the workout, you can see how it goes down. The steady state, within 2 hours, you are back to pre-exercise level. So you're gonna get that little bit of a metabolic effect, that boost. You burn the calories, boom, but then it ends. Whereas the afterburn effect, you can see, lasts up to 30 hours after the workout. So what that means, bottom line, you work out anytime during the day for up to 30 hours after that, you're burning calories. So how cool is that? So you work out later in the day, you're watching TV, you're with your family, you're with your kids, you're eating dinner. Heck, you're sleeping and you're burning more calories because your metabolism is at a higher rate. So that's why it's so important to do strength training. That's why it's so important to do muscle building, muscle toning exercises, because you can see the steady state cardio training, again, you're getting that effect of burning calories, but you're not getting the afterburn, really the high intensity interval training, which is really what we're talking about when we say strength training and muscle toning exercises. That gives you the biggest bang for your buck. You burn more calories, stimulate metabolism. That's where the magic happens. I'm Brian with Applied Fitness. I hope this helps. If it did, please hit subscribe, like, comment, share. And if you have any questions, reach out to us. We are here to serve you. Have an awesome, awesome day.